You're 22. Tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe while you're here. Y'all, I literally just got off work, just got home, and just took off my shoes because girl, I done had a very long day at work and my feet are literally swollen and red. And today is Thursday. I have not had one day this week where I just come home, chill, and relax. Like every day when I get off work, I've been going and doing stuff. And so today I decided that I'm going to make it a priority to reset and recharge, and we're just gonna have a cute little night. So today y'all are going to unwind with me after work. I'm gonna do a little self-care, do a little cooking, kind of cultivate some fall vibes, and we're just gonna have a nice, peaceful, relaxing night. And it's needed. Like usually by the middle of the week I do like a little reset and recharge, but I wait all the way till Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. The week is almost over basically. So very much needed. I am really ready to reset and recharge. Nobody's eating right now, but whenever she's done we can go ahead and get started. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe if you aren't already, and let's get into it. So I actually just got out the bath. I spent like a good hour in there. I'm not even finna cap you. I spent a good hour in there. I was definitely trying to soak up the Epsom salt because my back and my feet have been hurting me like so bad. But I just caught a Charlie horse and I was trying to put on my socks. Ow! Ah! Ah! Ow! My feet hurt so bad. What? That hurt. That actually hurt so bad. I have put my comforter in the dryer so it can be nice and warm and like really good cozy vibes. So I'm about to put that back on my bed. And I'm probably finna just edit and stuff before I start cooking. So let's do that. Alright, y'all, so I ate a little while ago, and y'all, when I tell you that food was so good, and I really feel like I'm cheating because I didn't make the rice, I didn't make the broccoli, literally just threw them in the microwave, and they both turned out really, really, really good. Only thing I'll say about the rice, though, is like I would probably add like some salt or some butter just so it have some like seasoning, but the texture was perfect, and like I'm the type, my mom always used a rice cooker, so that's the only way that I really know how to make rice, but I didn't feel like making like a whole pot of rice. But them little rice bowls, the microwavable ones, they on to something. Like that whole meal was so good, and I literally didn't prep anything. Like it was super easy. I really don't be cooking my salmon on the stove, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try and be cute and make it on the stove. It was actually pretty good. I usually make it in the air fryer, but I don't know, I feel like it's kind of inconsistent. Like sometimes it turn out better or worse, so I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and cook it on the stove, and it was really good. It was not like dry. Food was really, really good. Novi ate the salmon. She loved the salmon. She was not having the broccoli. Thought the cheese would like kind of distract her. Baby, she got all that cheese and spit the broccoli out. So yeah, but I'm supposed to be unwinding and chilling, so I don't feel like doing dishes, but I also don't want to leave the kitchen a mess. So we really don't be using the dishwasher like that, but I'd rather just put in the dishwasher and feel like I'm cleaning, even if I have to go back and rewash them, because I really just can't be bothered tonight. Like I really can't. I'm like chilling in bed right now. I'm waiting for the oven to preheat because I want to make some cookies. This is not just a fall thing for me. I just love cookies. Like I just love to bake cookies as like a little midnight snack, but really it's just like my before bed snack. And yeah, so we're gonna make some little cookies, and I feel like I've watched every TV show there is to watch that I'm gonna like, and I just don't know what to watch. I've been in a rut lately, that's why I've been watching like a lot of YouTube. But I said I'm gonna put on Halloween movie tonight because October's almost over, y'all. Like I feel like October came and went so fast. Like what? It's almost over already. So yeah, I'm gonna put on a little Halloween movie for me and Nobi to watch. I'll eat our cookies, and yeah, so I'm definitely winding down, about ready to go to bed. I still gotta take my vitamins and stuff like that. And yeah, but I just want to tell y'all, dinner was so good. And yeah, I'm glad I cooked for myself because I barely be cooking. I almost always get takeout food. Yeah, the fact that I cooked for myself, I'm so proud. It was actually good. Like, love that for me. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all whenever I start baking the cookies. As if I'm not already tired enough, I take melatonin before bed. Just I feel like it helps me sleep better. So, and especially because I don't sleep through the night anyways because of Nova. So I always be taking melatonin before I go to bed. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much the end of this little unwind with me, self-care after work night routine. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I am so super tired, so I'm finna go ahead and go to sleep. But I'm so glad that I did this because I don't know, I just feel like it's so necessary to pour back into yourself. Like you have to come home and take some time for yourself. So that's what I did today, and I'm really glad that I did it. I really needed a self-care moment because I've been on my Zoom at work and on YouTube. So I just feel like it's time that I just kind of give myself a little break, take some time for myself, and do a little self-care and pampering. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.